speaker wire relocation. It's making a bunch of interference. It's always kind of had it. Show what you got, son.
Okay, so my issue, signal wire for the subwoofer is run on the same side as the power for it. You get a lot of static, so I'm just moving this to the other side of the car because the power is just run from the battery straight back, so it's just easier to do this.
Yeah. Did you disconnect it already from the...
No, I'm not even gonna be disconnecting it. I'm just gonna be
flopping
feeding it back
over
to it and just going.
Have you taken off the trim on the driver's side yet? Like this trim before? Have you taken that off before? First time?
I don't think so.
First time trim attempt removal?
So. Yeah, I think it'll be the first time. This isn't too bad pulling apart this car. It's kind of easy.
I'm already pretty far through this. Cameraman got here late.
Yeah, I showed up late. He already had the interior ripped up.
It's pretty easy. Just pull off the shift knob, pull this shit up, pull off this silver bar up here, lift this up. 2 side pieces that have the screws at the bottom and then 4 screws on this. That have 4 screws. This shit is all aftermarket. This is not a factory, so I don't know if it's any different for the factory. I imagine not much. Maybe up to this point is where it gets different.
Where it'll be kind of on your own to figure out the wiring for whoever the fuck had it before.
Yeah.
Hold on.
There's another screw way up here that goes like that for this whole section. But the people that owned this car before me, who put this head unit in, did not leave that in there. Thank God. So you gotta pull out the whole fucking dash for that. I'll find that. That one's already missing. See what I mean? Like, why would they put this on here? To go way up by the clock. This is so stupid.
Yeah.
Just gonna leave this here somehow. That's pretty good.
Huh?
Wire pulled all the way through just to the back of the head unit now, so we gotta run it through there and then back to the subwoofer.
So we have CAT system efficiency. There's like 4 CAT system efficiencies. Vehicle speed signal, initialization not completed, transmitter shit, air inlet damper control servo motor, solar circuits. I'm pretty sure a lot of this is, I'm pretty sure all of it is automatically tripped because of the CAT code and because it's from the engine code. I'm pretty sure it's just freaking out because every time the check engine light comes on, the check VSC light comes on. They always come on together. Fault in ABS control, interruption of 4-wheel drive control, signal fault, system fault, control system.
This had to have been like a low voltage thing or something, bro, if it's gonna be that many sensors having a fault. Get the interior back together.
From the center back.
You hear that? Listen. I'm not doing that again.
It's that cold weather, ladies and gentlemen.
Less static, it's good now. No copyright, but these mirrors I put on about a year ago, this glass is fucked up just from the drive from my home here, which is like 5 minutes. This is already tilted down this much.
All right, so think about this. He wants to get the JDM mirrors, so that's gonna have the indicators.
But
it'll be back to factory mirrors.
Yes.
Like OEM mirrors, but with the indicator on
The base of the factory mirrors are like a black plastic and it's kind of shiny. I might paint match that and so it's all just gray.
Yeah. But he should be able to get them from Buy or whatever. Like
They're like $45 on Buy. They're not that expensive. So I'm gonna get those.
Yeah, and then they will already be paint matched, cheap as fuck, and then just throw them on because no one's really caring about that stuff. But that's kind of
This shit's corny.
proper.
This shit's getting corny now.
Yeah,
So
it's time to upgrade.
it's good now, Gentry. What was wrong with your car?
Cat battery.
Cat battery.
Cat battery.
He needs a new battery. It's still a Toyota battery in that motherfucker.
I thought I could have sworn I put a fucking battery in that. It might have been the Pathfinder, like right before I got rid of it, or something. But I remember putting the battery in. Something.
We did it in the Pathfinder. I remember that.
Because it died like right before I was going to work at Big O, and I was like, well, I'm fucked.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, it was not fun.
That's might be the last time these vehicles are in the shop. Just because it's the end of the semester. Last automotive classes. Bro's on the sidewalk.
Thumbnail.
I can't do.
You can just do
I gotta
it.
get. I gotta look around for a second.
Yeah, I can't do no wide angle shit here.
Shit.
I gotta step a little closer.
I want to see it.
Here we go. Here we go. Hold on. Hold on.
Put the final image on the video.
I'll put them on.
So they can see what you're doing.
Hold on. I got some hard shit. My TR game. Look at that shit, man. This shit won't work, man.
Is that a master ball?
It's
Is that a master ball?
Yeah, man. Great ball.
They can't find the floor.
I'm cold, I'm shivering. Yeah, I was trying to find some fucking footprints on the ground.